One of our most frequently asked questions is, how do I know which epinephrine kit is right for me? Well, the answer is simple. Start with your prescriber's order. Note the dosages that are recommended to treat any of the patients that participate in your practice. Our Epinephrine SNAP V Kit and Epinephrine SNAP EMS are designed to treat anaphylaxis in patients weighing 15 kilograms and above. Epinephrine SNAP V and SNAP EMS contain our proprietary epinephrine syringes. These syringes are specifically designed to work with epinephrine 1 milligram per ml and only bear the dose markings for common use doses when treating anaphylaxis in adults and children. Our Epinephrine SNAP Kit is designed to be used in treating anaphylaxis for patients of all weights and sizes. The kit features 3 1 milliliter non-residue minimal dead space syringes, allowing for even the tiniest of doses and minimizing drug waste. Learn more about our products at snapmedicalindustries.com.